We're at Mangapehe Marae, and just this is the second wānanga for Te Rōpū Rangatahi. Yeah, always look forward, like after the first event I was really looking forward to this and catching up with all my new cousins and friends that we've met, whānau we've met along the way. Just looking forward to getting stuck in and learning a bit more about what it means to be Maniapoto. For myself personally, what I got out of the first wānanga, growing up outside the rohe, for me I just felt a little bit of a disconnect from my culture, from knowing where I'm from, and coming here with my brother Tane is just the first, one of the first steps of me reconnecting back to Maniapoto, to my culture and embracing that whole side. So just coming and meeting all my cousins and seeing all different walks of life. A lot of them are in similar positions to me.
It's like the first time I've ever felt a part of something, and it's something that I never thought that I needed, and I always thought that I had to go within myself to find that, but it was actually getting out of myself and being a part of something bigger than myself, and knowing that I do actually have a place here. So it means more to me than I can put in words, because you have to experience it to kind of understand what that is.
It's just awesome, mate. I was just absorbing all the knowledge, everything Matua Shane was telling us last time. Tamako just blew me away. So I love history, and learning about our own history is just probably my favourite thing that I took away from that wānanga. It sort of reminded me of what the importance of knowing where you're from, knowing your culture, and even when I'm walking down Paris and people are looking at my tāmoka on my leg, that's all my whakapapa there, and just being so proud of how unique we are in the world. So yeah, amazing. Just made me more keen to dive in when I got home. It's really grounding, not just knowledge, but I guess spiritually, it's grounding into be able to reconnect with my tūpuna and all of that.
Ngā Manu Taki Ata!